We're commissioned to do a 50-room hotel somewhere in Calabar on a 1,150 square meter plot. It's supposed to be 50 room in number with a rooftop lounge, a large rooftop lounge, a restaurant, and swimming pool, an outdoor area. So we got into the design, and we're thinking of how to go about this thing, being that it's in Calabar with a very rich heritage and culture. So we thought to contextualize the design so that it appeals to everybody in Cross River State, and we understand that Ekpe is a big thing. The Ekpe masquerade is a big thing in Calabar, so we thought about what we could adopt from that, and we remembered the Ukara material. So in the Ekpe society, in the Ekpe secret society, when you're initiated, the male, they're dressed in the Ukara wrapper, and then even in social gatherings, if you want to identify as a member of the Ekpe secret society, you tie the Ukara material. So we thought to put that on the building, and we made sure that we maintain a minimalist look, a neat, modern minimalist look, but still were able to throw in the cultural thing somewhere. And we had to still keep the idea of the wrapper being tied around. So the way we introduced the Ukara material up there, we kind of still made it wavy in order to signify that it was a wrapper, So we think it's very beautiful, and then it has of course, the Ukara material has the signs on it and all. We hope that this is going to be a landmark site in Calabar that anybody who visits has to go see it, because of the culture, the heritage, the significance, the symbolism, right? And we hope it's going to be something beautiful.
We're started with the responsibility of coming up with an outstanding design, and while a lot of thought process was put in the facade of this design, a lot more thought process was put in the sustainability of the design. And one of the key things in achieving sustainability in any design is ensuring that the maintenance culture in that facility is as easy and as seamless as possible. Zooming into maintenance in the facility, we took a lot of considerations to what piping systems we were employing, what heating systems we were using, the cooling systems we were employing, the lighting systems, and the safety measures we employed. So for the safety measures, we ensured that there were alarms situated at necessary points in the facility that goes off at a change of temperature. These alarms also help to ignite the water sprinklers in the facility, and the fire can be suppressed and all of that. For the piping system, we use the central duct system that allows all the pipes in the facility to be piped to a particular duct. It helps in tracing where the problem is easily without affecting the activity of the hotel. So it's not a case of pack up, oh sorry, we're experiencing a difficulty, we want to treat it, and all of that. We just treat it without affecting the activity of the hotel. For the cooling system, this is by far the most exciting part of this project for me, because we employed a system that allows you, although it's centralized, it allows you control the temperature of one room without affecting the temperature of the other space. We moved on to the lighting system. The lighting system is motion detected, so it detects body movement while it comes up. What this does is that it helps us saves energy in the design. So if there's no body movement detected in a space, the lights go off. Now when there's body movement detected in that space, light comes on.
So we positioned this Ukara thing, such that when you drive into the premises, you look up and you see that beautiful wraparound. And there is the conference room down there, and you could walk out to the reception. At the reception, we have this beautiful open plan thing happening where everything just flows. So from the reception, it flows onto the restaurants, and from the reception still, you could flow out onto the pool area and the pool deck. The pool area and the pool deck also flows into the restaurant. So that whole area is very, very communal to say, and people moving around. So you come in from the reception and you sight the pool outside, and the whole activity going around there. Now we understand that Calabar people are very big on hanging out, and the hanging out has to be outside. So we provided all that outdoor space for hangout. Also, on Ekorinim, it's very close to the amphibious place, for the training ground for the army. So there is a large water body, the Calabar River, that cuts across. So on the last floor, where you have the rooftop lounge, you have a very beautiful view of the Calabar River, the bank, with the richer forest. It's a very beautiful view from the rooftop there. And at the rooftop, we have this tree that we positioned up there. We hope it's going to be, it's going to help to soften things up there. And it's a very large rooftop lounge. And that view is also enjoyed by all the rooms that are on that flank, which are about 20 of the 50 rooms that have balconies. So you could step out from the balcony and you enjoy that beautiful view of the Calabar River.